Hello.
Just took a test, failed.
I'm so sad.
Your perfect A pluses aren't in there.
Shut up. I'm so depressed. Pray for me.
Why?
This is the worst day of my life. Hi. Oh, hey Sam. What the heck? So,
Stop. Wait a minute.
there's like someone behind us.
Okay. We're walking to Wawa before play. Whoa, your phone is so big.
I know.
I mean, your camera.
What?
Hey, say hi, Bay. When they're all the way back there.
You guys are so famous.
Stop. We're on tape. Like, knock it off.
Hey guys. Oh, it doesn't let me zoom. Me too.
Horrible. Like, even worse than all these. 2 pools in crust pizza from my house last night. Why? Or 2 nights ago.
Go. Do you see that? That's snow and ice. I've been penetrated by. Oh, I'm so red. Friggin' mom said, "Go home. It's dangerous." I thought today was gonna be a good day, honestly. It sucks. Oh my god. Ah! But there was a bake sale today at school. They had brownies.
Hi, guys.
It's snowing a lot.
Snowing?
Probably not.
Here, we'll get cool shots.
Oh yes, dual shots.
Here we go.
Look, there's Katie.
Look at my snow. Look at my snow.
We really want ice cream, but we can't go anywhere to get it, so. Frick you, Mother Nature. So currently there's like a blizzard going on and like half of our town has lost power. Our house being one of those houses, and it will not be on until Sunday. Today's Friday. So we're currently staying at my grandparents' house. came to my grandparents' house. Oh.
Okay.
This is literally a workout. That's my signature dance move.